I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off Twitch Go Live notifications for one channel in the Twitch mobile app. Step 1. Open the Twitch mobile app and then tap the profile icon in the menu along the bottom of the screen. Your Twitch profile screen opens. Step 2. Tap Settings in this menu. Step 3. Tap Notifications. The associated screen opens. Step 4. Tap Per channel. You'll land on the channel settings screen. Step 5. Find the specific channel you want to turn off Go Live notifications for and then tap to turn the toggle next to that channel off. You'll no longer receive Twitch Go Live notifications for that specific channel. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.